Hi, this is Jaclyn at Skin Perfect Academy, and I wanted to talk to you about the importance of advanced education. Advanced education is a game changer for you in this industry. When you graduate school, you can feel not confident, or you don't have real life aesthetic experience, or even in the beauty industry with lashes, permanent makeup, brows. Advanced education can restore and even improve your confidence when you get into the real life everyday setting of your clients. When you have clients coming in, you'll start to realize that every skin is different and they need a different treatment protocol and then also product regimen. It's important to understand that no skin is the same. Also, when clients come in and you actually are changing their skin and able to help them get great results, they're going to refer their friends. You're going to start to see your books build much faster. Continuing education hours are also just a part of having your license. So at Skin Perfect Academy, we offer that, and we offer much more advanced classes if you decide to go to more of the clinical route of skincare. Lash extensions are now ever changing in this industry, and if you want to be more proficient or improve your time and effectiveness in a treatment, we offer that as well. This industry changes every day. New treatments are being offered, new ingredients are being offered, and it's important that you are on the pulse of the industry. And at Skin Perfect Academy, we're constantly researching, going to trade shows, speaking and teaching, so we are on top of what the industry is offering. Overall, advanced education keeps you excited about this industry. You maintain your passion and your drive, and it just makes you love every day you go to work. So I encourage you to please consider us for your advanced education and for our support throughout your career.